Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 it's got the 2.5 liter Skyactiv motor, and so we are going to go over how you would change your engine air filter on this vehicle. So this engine air filter is fairly simple to replace. First you find your air filter box, which is located on the left hand side of the engine bay, and that's the driver's side. Your battery is right back here. Fuse box, engine or filter box is right here. So what you have is two tabs. They're little clips. We have these two clips. You just need to push them back to unlock, and then you can pull this up and out. And there's the two tabs on the back, so that's why you need to pull the engine box just a little bit forward, and then you'll be able to remove your old engine filter, take the new one, and note that this goes down. If there was a lot of debris down in there, you can vacuum it out. Be able to press your air filter in there, and then be able to line the two tabs up on the back. And then close the locks. And that's how you would change your engine air filter on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC. You can be the mechanic.